Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove green screen on CapCut PC. So let's get it. First of all, open the CapCut and create a project. Let's name this green screen tutorial. Open the video or green screen footage that you have. Let me upload this, and I have this green screen footage like this one. Let's upload in the timeline and let's play it. So to remove a green screen on CapCut PC or CapCut in overall, all you have to do is find the Chroma Key feature. For this, all you have to do is to select the green screen video, go to this remove busy section inside CapCut PC or inside CapCut, and select this Chroma Key feature, this one, and just pick this, and you can change the intensity with the intensity button like this. If you make too much intensity, it looks like this, or you can make like around 60-70, and if you want to remove the shadow, you can do this like this. So this is how you remove green screen on CapCut PC.